Thank you, everybody, for joining me. This is a session here at Genesis 11. This is a series of sessions that we're doing here at the company about basic topics with the platform, so you guys have a very easy access and beginning to your trading here. The topic of the session today is opening trades. So this is already after you signed in, you logged in. And now you want to start trading after you find very strong opportunities. So grab a piece of paper and a pen, everybody. I'm going to show you how to open a trade on the platform. So what you need to do is log into your Genesis 11 platform. You can see it's a very nice platform with a lot of charts, a lot of information. And I'm going to try to make this as simple as I can. And it really is very, very simple. So this session is only about opening and closing trades. We have more basic sessions that you're going to see on the platform about the size of the trade and about technical trading and many, many other things. So to open a trade, first of all, you got to find, of course, an asset that you want to trade. Let's say a very popular asset today is gold. So I'm going to click XAU, which is the symbol for gold. And you can also enlarge a chart here of gold, and you're going to see a full screen chart there with gold. There we go. This is the price of gold right now, 1940. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see after you clicked on XAU USD, you're going to get a buy and a sell, meaning that you can make money if an asset goes up. And you can always also make money if an asset goes down, which is another great feature of the Genesis 11 platform. So once I clicked XAU, it gave me XAU USD, which is gold. And now I want to buy gold. So I'm going to click on here on the left side of the screen, I'm going to click buy. And a window opens. So on the top of the window, you have the asset that you want to trade. Below that, it says volume. That is the amount of gold that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 0.1 lot. You see the type is buy. And all you got to do right now is just click buy. And that is it. You have a red line on the bottom of the screen where we have a position with gold. If gold goes up, we're going to make money. Now, I want to show you a very, very cool feature that we have here on the Genesis 11 platform, which is stop loss and take profit orders. These orders you can add to any given trade. The stop loss order is going to protect you if the trade goes against you, and a take profit order is going to close once you reached your profit target. So all you got to do in order to do that is click on the red line here on the right side of the red line, and again a window opens, and below that there is, it says here SL and TP. SL stands for stop loss. This is very, very important because what it does, it stops your loss if the trade goes against you. So for example, I bought a trade of gold at 1941, and let's say if I'm in a meeting or I went to sleep or I'm not looking at the platform, I don't have access to the platform right now, and the price of gold goes against me, I can protect my loss, stop my loss, by, for example, I can say that if gold reaches 1930, the system is automatically, never mind where I am, automatically close the trade. So I'm going to click here 1930 instead of the current price of 1941. So now I cannot lose more than that $11 per ounce that you see here on the screen. On the other hand, if gold starts going my way, right, and I'm saying if it goes to 1970, that would be a great profit, and I would like to exit the trade if it reaches that high number. But maybe I'm in a meeting, maybe I'm asleep. So I'm going to click here a take profit of 1970. And now the trade is going to close automatically if it reaches either 1970 or 1930. How cool is that? And you can do that for any asset that you want to trade on. I'm going to click update order. There we go. The order is updated and we are protected from a downside movement. But on the other hand, we can make a lot of money if it goes our way. It's a beautiful thing about the Genesis 11 platform. So again, you click on the search field, this window pops up with buy and sell, and then you can add take profit and stop loss on the red line on the bottom of the screen. If you want to exit the trade, so easy to do. You click on the X here on the right side of the screen. Click on that, close order, and there we go. How simple is that? So folks, this is how you open and close a trade on the Genesis 11 platform. Hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned for more sessions coming up very soon.